Okay, I have a small announcement to people. I mean, at least then for you, not just the whole class, but this periodically, these cultural events, connectivity are also happening. So tomorrow, Saturday, there is no official class, although we have a special where all of your so all of
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Alichoran, Yentra,
Sir, voice is not audible, sir. Now only audible,
not
sir.
audible. Hello,
Now audible, sir.
now audible. Thank you for reminding, buddy. Thank you, thank you. Now audible. Alichoran, hello, hello, hello. Answer in chat. Yes, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. Point is, tomorrow is a celebration day at Eastern for you, where official this regular class will not happen. Fun activities will be there, and lunch party is there for all of you. All of you also means online students. So most welcome. Timing, everything detail will be updated to you in the group today itself. Ensure please all of us come with a mode of only fun. Don't bring your laptop, bag, notebook, water bottle, nothing. Come without any technical discussion, we will have fun. Hello. Second, lunch is there. Third, there will be some clients come. What do you mean by client? Client center. Hurry. Hurry, you are in corporate world now. You have to understand these terminology. Client means, I mean, we stand for you is a bridge between you and your career, right? You're looking for a job. So we have few partnered clients with us, those who often come to we stand for you for the placement side. Since, I mean, see what is their expectation? They need engineering graduates or somebody, those who are good in programming, those who can handle the requirements pretty well. Those who are good programmers, basically. We train them and give them. They are happy. You are happy because you are looking for a job. And we had been doing pretty well. We had a good terms and rapport with our partners, those who work to get the job for you. And there is sometimes we have faced that people freshers basically those who have never attended an interview before might be attended some college interview college level basic discussion will happen for us like I told you right couple of days back I was telling you clear instructions used to be there don't ask tough questions and all when we go to the college drive campus drive whenever happens tell me the difference between this and this okay get the job write one program given number is even or odd here it will not. Now you are graduated. Now you have to meet the competency of the industry expectation. Agree? We are preparing you. You are getting ready. And it is really helpful if you know the person doesn't know the process. What happens during the interview from the people, those who are actually conducting them. People, those who take interviews in the industry, they'll be coming, having interaction with you. Reason not to give you lecture. If you have a doubt, sir, how do I need to prepare for interview? I am from a non-CSE background or non-engineering background. Will that be easy for me to get the job? If somebody asks, say you have done mechanical engineering, why are you looking for a job in IT? What should I answer? Do you have such doubt? Hello? As a fresher, how much I may get? If you have such doubt, for them, there will be interaction with the people, those who take interview and may come to you in a couple of months. Am I clear? Because these are the few companies those who keep coming periodically. So you'll be having a great opportunity to interact with the client, understand the interview process better, and moreover, no lecture, no classroom, only fun activity will be there. And if anybody is interested for any of the co-curricular activities, you can definitely interact with us. And madam are there, offline people, you can reach out to them. And if you are interested for any co-curricular activity like singing, dancing, or any other activity, hero, shairi, kavita, whatever you like. If you are interested, most welcome. Communicate with them. Also, we need your participation from your end. Reason is if we are gonna do whichever way we want it, that will be super boring. I'll start with literally Aarti, Bhajan will be there, then Purana will start. That way, if you ask me, it will happen that. So, play some nice song, let us sing or dance, do whatever you want. Tomorrow there is no class. Fun activity is there. The way you want to have fun, provided you maintain decency. No vulgarity, behave decent, and have fun. Chalega? Interested people can communicate with the madam. They'll be there after the class. And we need few volunteers from your side. What for? For any fun activity, if you are recommending, say, I don't understand so much. What are activities like balloon games or something, whatever. If you are interested, you can be a partner. I mean, what do you call helping hand for us? All of us will together manage. Have fun. Tomorrow, what time and all everything will be said with you. For online people, request if you can come to the premises, that's the best, because since we are having a long journey to go, long journey means at least couple of months are there. Or are you thinking tomorrow I want the job? That all not gonna happen. Agree, na? So couple of weeks or months you are there with us. You know all of us. Which team does what? Because multiple teams are there in these stand for you. Should be knowing if there is a problem, whom to contact. Say for example, there is a company came who is asking for criteria 70 in throughout 10, 12 and engineering. That 10, 12 is there, engineering 69.2 is there. Am I eligible? If you ask me, I'll say I have no idea. Ask me here. I'll explain whatever you want. Every problem, every error, every concept I'll explain. I can't. Then whom you should contact? Do you know right now? You should know, right? Ideally, you should know, right? Who is the right person who can help you with that? Sir, they are asking something like this. I'm not sure. I'm not confident what to do. You also have some queries. You should know which team and for what. How can we help you better? For that, please ensure to come, especially offline people. Most welcome. And if you cannot come, we'll share the link for at least attend on. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. One choice is this. Second choice, I'm interested to take class. If you are interested also. Yes or no? How many of you are not interested? Show me your hand. बहुत दिक्कत है तुमको है कह रहा है of course there is no class tomorrow, we'll have fun. Come and no sickness, will have full fun, proper must. Okay. And if you have some recommendations, sir, I want to listen to this song or play on this song, I want to do some activity, madams are there, they will meet you. Online people, you can contact the group admins are there in your group, corresponding group. You ask any admin, will redirect you to the right person. आज के समाचार समाप्त हुए, क्लास शुरू करें. चलिए, let's get started. Can I say so much of complication is there, sir, in data type, sir? No, no. Overview I understood. Now I'm ready to deal. What is this? Confusion? Hello? Overview I understood. Primitive data types are there. Data types are there. Primitive, non-primitive. Primitive means those who hold data. Non-primitive means those who hold address, also called as reference variable. Those who hold data, they are called variable. Agree? Primitive are of 8 types. In 8 types, total 7 of them are numeric and 1 is called non-numeric. In these 7, 1 is controversial. How come character is being numeric, that to be unsigned numeric? Remaining 6 are signed numeric. Signed numeric means positive, negative, both are there. Unsigned means there is no sign, only positive. Am I clear? This is a bit controversial. Let me complete these remaining 6. Once you're confident, then we'll discuss. Okay. Here, few people typed ASCII, which is not the concept. It is actually the Unicode. We will discuss what is ASCII, what is Unicode, why Java is being so weird. Whole world is saying ASCII, Java says no. I'll go with something else called Unicode. We'll discuss all that. Okay, moving forward. And here I'll be giving you a task which is mandatory to be done. Remembering the some ranges are there. I'll explain. Next, these 6 are numeric data types in which again 2 categories are there. Few remaining initial 4. Read with me. Byte, short, int, long are the data types those who hold integer numbers without decimal. Agree? Then 2 are there those who hold real numbers with or without with the decimal. Agree? Sir, any number without decimal by default integer, int basic. Another, any number with decimal is double by default. Agree? This is what the basic understanding of data type. Everybody clear? No confusion? 100% clear? Shall I move forward? Online folks, everybody comfortable? Okay, sir. I'll wipe the board and there is something I'm going to write. I expect you to focus and respond along with me. Loud and clear response. Possible? Tell me. Today I may cover few, remaining will be covering moving forward. Is that okay? First data type as part of primitive. See, 2 categories are there, primitive, non-primitive. I am exploring primitive first in that numeric. In that especially integer number. How many are there? Byte, int, long. I'm starting with lowercase. Hope you understand. What is byte? Am I clear? Sir, size of the byte. Size of the byte means whenever I try to store a number as byte, we'll discuss that, how to do that. Then how much memory, how many bits required. Total size of byte is 1 capital B means byte. Agree? 1 byte means, hello? Total 8 bits. Am I right? Total how many bits? 8 bits. In that case, size will become what? Max will become what? Min will become what? Oh, is the wrong reason. Then we will discuss about something called range. Am I clear? Sir, when I'm telling byte data type will have 8 bits. In bytes, how many? 8 bits means how many? 8 bits means how many? 1 byte. Agree? Okay, good. Then maximum value allowed as byte data type. Pay attention. Yes. You will try. You will try. That's great, man. If you can tell me. Cost maximum. Minus is negative, no? Smallest maximum amount. Online folks, anybody? Somebody saying something? No problem. We will discuss. 128. Maximum allowed is positive 127. Negative, minimum allowed is negative minus 128. Agree? Positive 127, negative. Agree? So in that case, byte range will start from minus 128 to 127. Agree? Minimum is minus 128. Maximum, I'll give you ample amount of time for writing when I'm explaining. Please close your notebook. Don't engage yourself to another activity. For your betterment, I'm telling you. Am I gonna hide something? Arey, what will I hide there? My job is to make you crystal clear with these facts. Trust me, after today's class only, right after today's class. Forget if you can. Whatever is written on board, forget if you can. Are you listening what I'm saying? I'm not asking you to, you should remember this. Arey, making you remember is my job. Am I clear? You try to forget. You try your level best to forget. Clear? Open challenge, forget if you can. I'll teach you that way. You don't worry about learning. Making you learn is my job. You try to forget, then and don't worry, you will remember everything. Not today. After months, if I tell, you'll remember. And I've been teaching, as you know, from here. Any old student also come. If I ask, they can tell. At least till integer. This is byte, short, and then integer will come, right? Till integer, everybody will. Give a try. You can forget. Okay. Still, I mean, I'm not threatening you. Hello. Not threatening you. I'm telling you, and so you will learn probably, provided when I'm teaching you, don't keep the notebooks open or the laptop open. Keep everything aside. Sit, relax. Don't sit. Relax. Okay, na? Chaliye. Sir didn't understand. Devashish Mohanty, what you didn't understand? How much size? What is the point you didn't understand, buddy? Exactly. Can you please help me? Buddy. People are so excited. Just now starting. A box of gems. I have opened us. First gem I'm taking. I've just taken it. Wait, I'll do the postmortem of everything. What, why, everything I'll tell you. Don't worry. I'll do proper postmortem. Just now starting, Anna. Let me say data type is done from my side. Then you ask any doubt. Okay, na? Krishnamurti? Krishnamurti, right? Huh. Is that okay? And Devashish Mohanty also. Wait for me. Okay? Listen, what I'm telling you, pay attention. First data type is byte data type, which is considered to be the smallest data type. Which is considered to be the smallest data type. What is the size? 1 byte means 8 bit. Maximum number allowed as byte. Positive 127. Minimum allowed is minus 127. 128. Sorry. Agree? This by default plus is there, right? So we will say maximum is 127, minimum is minus 128. Agree? In that case, byte range start from minus 128 to, agree? Am I clear? Everybody? Shall I move forward? Simple request, those who are sitting back, if you can confront, it will be great for you as well as for me. Request. All of you, confront. Accept this row. These 3 people, remaining all, if you can confront, it will be great. Front, Anna. Anna. Second row. Madam, both of you come. Front row. Or take the chairs and sit. No problem. I mean, if you come front, there will be better interaction will be there. Not to torture you. That I'll do separate. Shall I start? Now listen. Byte data type, total 8 bits. Size is 1 byte. Maximum number allowed as byte 127. Minimum allowed is minus 128. Have to responding. Range of bytes start from minus 128 to 127. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Sir, next data type is what? Next data type is short. Let me talk about short. Let me talk about the short. Now, in case of short, if I need to ask, total how many bits will be there in byte? Byte, how many bits? Here, double of it. Am I clear? Agree? In that case, if size over here is, here it will become, I hope you understand that much, very much clear. Size, max, min, and range. Agree? Sir, size will be, I hope you can tell me size. How many bytes? 2 bytes. Maximum allowed is ऐसा है, number of bits are increasing, not doubling. Size is doubled means number of bits are increasing. 2 raised to the power is increasing, not into 2 is happening. Are you getting my point? अरे यार binary number system 2 is equal 0, 2 is equal 1, 2 is equal 2. Like this, how much is that? 2 is equal 7. 0 to 7. How much? 8. Agree na? In bytes, what is there? 2 is equal 0 to 2 is equal 7. When you add all of them, then it forms 127 maximum. Agree? Agree? How many bits I'm telling right now? How many bits? 2 raised to the power 15. Just double will be there. Huh? Seriously, 2 raised to the power 8, 2 raised to the power 9. You have to add all of them. 2 raised to the power 10 itself 1024. 2 raised to the power 11 is 1024 double 2048. Next 4096. Perfect. Keep adding all of them. Will come how much? 256. Acha. What engineering have you done, guys? Chalo, no problem. We'll discuss. I mean, I'm not getting into in-depth right now. My style is little weird of you. You accept the fact. Do you agree? So you are telling me I'm weird. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I am weird or teaching style is weird? Which one is true? Who will talk to Imra? If he says something, he'll take double meaning out of it. Chill. Guys, what is my style of teaching? I'll give you the over. Then I'll go, what does it mean? Then I'll type, how does it work? At the end, I am not satisfied unless I know why it is happening. So what? How is this product working? Then I'll go to the why. Am I clear? Let me give you the introduction part. I will ensure everything will be clear. Clear? As of now, max is how much? 3, 2, 7, 6, 7 minus 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. So maximum number as byte was louder 127. Minimum number was minus 128. In this case, short maximum number is 32767. Minimum number is minus 32768. Am I clear? Sir, in that case, can you tell me the short range also? Minus 32768 to 3276. Easy. Am I clear? How many did have we discussed so far? 2. First one. Byte. Short. Byte size is how much? 8 bits. Agree? Maximum number as part of byte 127. Minimum is minus 128. Range of byte is minus 128 to 127. Am I clear? Everybody, online folks, byte is absolutely clear. What is what I'm explaining? Moving forward. Quick response, everybody. Faster. And Prasanna, thank you very much. Absolutely correct. Then formula also will discuss. Hold on. Then next data type is short. In short, what is the size of the short? 2 bytes. How many bits? 16 bits. Maximum number of short 32767. Minimum minus 32768. Agree? Range of short minus 32768 to 32767. Can I expect you to remember this one? Super complicated? Easy to remember? That's all. Sir, what if I cross the range? Either minus side or positive side, then will come. Agree? Next data type is what, sir? Next data type is int. If int is the next data type, we will discuss few things like size, max, min, and the range of. Sir, apply the common sense. Byte was 1 byte. Short became, so here it will become louder, 4 byte. Agree? In this case, bitwise, can you please tell me integer? How much? 32 bit. Am I clear? Agree? Okay, sir. Moving forward. Maximum number allowed. कर लो कैलकुलेट, बताओ आराम, टेक योर टाइम, ನಿಧಾನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್. Online anybody? 4 bit, 4 byte. Typo Logeshwari. With me, 21, 47, 48, 36, 47 minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. Read with me. 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Negative is 21, 47, 48, 36. Pakka, pakka. Maximum number as integer. 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Minimum number start from minus 21, 47, 48, 36. Please don't read 2, 1 and all. That will confuse. There is a rhyming. If you can read with me. Hope you understand there is a rhyming. 2 numbers will. So maximum number once again. 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Minimum is minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. Madam, if you are not responding along with the batch, you will be left behind. Am I clear? Later in interview, these words will not come out of your mouth. I repeat, if you have to perform an interview in class, you have to practice. Those who cannot practice, when there is a peace, they will bleed in war. An interview is a war room for you. Agree, na? Practice is happening. I am not an idiot to make you repeat these things like kindergarten. I know it is complicated, and let me tell you, this is the maximum range allowed for the integer, arrays in Java. What is the maximum size of array you can create? 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. MCQ question. Because see, everything I can't tell you, why am I doing this? There is a reason for everything. Unnecessarily, I will not do anything or make you do anything. Very popular interview question. What is the max? Say they'll write a question. Is this a valid declaration of an array? Int. Those who know. Single dimension, ARR equal to new int of 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Valid, yes, no. Or they'll put a variable over there, integer variable. Guess the maximum value of I. Then you need to guess. They'll change the sequence of the number. First they'll put 48, then they'll put 47. Or they make 4, 4, 7, 8. These combinations will be. And let me remind you, this is something, say 5 lakh, 6 lakh job is there. First round written test MCQ will happen. In that, they'll ask question. In hash map, there is a concept in collection called hash map. How much array of buckets can be there? Total number of buckets can be there in a hash map. Again, maximum of integer value. What is that? 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. There also questions will happen. What if I increase? What will happen? What if I decrease? What will happen? What if I give a negative value? What will happen? If I give a double value, what will happen? Combinations are so many. I am giving you only two biscuit. Not biscuit, I would say coffee. Candy. Huge things are there. Everything is connected to everything. If I'm asking you to repeat along with me, guys, I expect you to. Then only you will learn. One technique is there. I also don't like making you repeat along with me like a kindergarten kid. That is the way to talk. Every batch, I repeat, every batch, remember this. Not a single batch cannot tell this. If they are sincere. There are people who didn't come to the class. What can I do? Agree? Shall I proceed now? Can I expect you to remember the range, number, everything? Sure? Then can you please tell me, sir, maximum of integer is loud and clear along with me. 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Minimum integer number minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. Range of integers start from minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48 to 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Am I right? Agree? No confusion at all? Sure? I'll pipe it in again. Right, there is some typo happened. 40, 47. Am I right? Agree? Today we will complete this much at least. Okay? Can I expect you to have a look at it once and make a note of it? And then I expect you to discuss further. Okay? But make a note of this much. Remaining that previous details you have already made a note of it. Agree? Primitive, non-primitive, imprimitive, numeric, signed, unsigned. All of these are signed. You know that. Agree? Total 6 are signed. Shall we start? Basically, we are understanding what is the topic we are discussing. Data types. How many data types are there? Only two type of data types are primitive, non-primitive. As part of primitive data types, total are 8, out of which 8, 7 are numeric. 1. Which one is non-numeric? Boolean. Boolean possible values are true or false. Am I clear? These 7 are numeric. Character is a controversial element. Am I right? We need to discuss about it. Character is actually signed or unsigned? Unsigned. Remaining 6 signed. Agree? Out of these 6 signed numeric data types, 4 of them are meant for integer numbers. Numbers, those who do not have the decimal part. Without decimal are total 4. Byte, short, int, long. Remaining 2 are float, double. These 2 meant to hold data, numbers with the decimal. Am I clear? Everybody? Okay, sir. So we understand signed data types are total 6. Out of these 6 signed data types, 4 are integer, 2 are real numbers with decimal. Agree? Pakka? Okay, sir. These 4 we are discussing integer data types. Agree? Am I clear? Out of these 4, first one is byte. Sir, byte size is louder. 1 byte. 1 byte means how many bits? 8 bits. Okay, sir. As part of integer data type, total 4 are there. First we are learning is byte, and in that case, byte size is 1 byte, 8 bits. Maximum number as part of byte allowed 127. Minimum minus 128. Range of bytes start from minus 128 to. Am I clear? Moving forward. Next data type is short data type. Short is a data type meant to hold number without decimal, apart from byte. Agree? Size of short 2 byte. In bit 16 bit. Maximum number allowed as part of short data type is 32767. Minimum minus 32768. Agree? In that case, short range will start from minus 32768 to 32767. Am I clear? Next data type, integer data type. Agree? Which is a default data type. Am I clear? By default, you store any number without decimal, sorry. Then it is by default considered to be integer. Am I right? Size of integer is, all eyes here, stop writing in between, man. Size of integer is 4 bytes. In terms of bits, 32 bits. Maximum number allowed as integer is 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Minimum number as integer minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. Am I right? Range of integers start from minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48 to 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Am I clear? Everybody, once again, byte range start from minus 128. Loud and clear, guys. I need rapid, fast responses. Online folks also. Byte range start from minus 128 to 127. Size of byte, 1 byte. In bit, 8 bit. Maximum byte number, 127. Minimum, minus 128. Range of byte start from minus 128 to 127. Next data type, short. Size of short, 2 byte. In bit, 16 bit. Maximum short number allowed, 3, 2, 7, 6, 8, 7. Minimum number allowed, minus 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. Range of short start from minus 3, 2, 7, 6, 8 to 3, 2, 7, 6, 7. Next data type, integer, which is a default data type. Size of integer in byte, 4 bytes. In bit, 32 bits. Maximum integer number allowed, 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Minimum number integer, minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. Range of integers start from minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48 to 21, 47, 48, 36, 40. Forget now. Forget now. If I ask any day this number till here, everybody should remember. Am I clear? Already made a note of it. If I ask and you are not able to tell, then all the data type you will write 10 times, whatever is it. I am doing my bit, yes or no? More than this, what else can I do? Tell me. Agree? Is this clear? If you forget, nothing big deal. I'll make you remember. No big deal. Can I say overview understand? I'm not taking all the data, at least 3 we start. Agree? These 3 are super confident. Range wise clear. One confused. One sure to confuse. Let me help you the confusion. Tell me whether you also have the same confusion or I'm unnecessarily creating the confusion. Let me ask you this. Looks like a container, glass, water container. If not, consider. What is filled in this? Your wish, water, coke. Your wish. What is the size of the container? Hello, come on. Bit. Maximum allowed is? Minimum allowed is? Sir, if I try to add positive 128, then what will happen? Is that clear? Data type is byte. Say, for example, I'm declaring a variable. Let me write it. Can I write? Byte B equal to 127. Agree. 128, if I write, what will happen? 128 will be trying to assign into the byte B. B is which type? Byte type. Can 128 be accommodated in? No. Reason is this is out of the range. Are you getting my point? If you go beyond the positive range, don't you think overflow will happen? Come on. Agree. What is happening over here? In this case, over here, overflow of data will happen. Agree. Sir, what if I go negative side, less than minus 128? Very good. Underflow of data will be there. Agree. Am I clear? Sir, in this case, how much? Maximum allowed is 3, 2, 7, 6. Okay. Minimum size, a water container meant to hold 2 liters of water. If you try to put more, overflow, underflow. Am I clear? Here we will write. Hold on. अरे यार कंटेनर थोड़ा बड़ा होगा ना यार, पक्का ना यार. Consider it as a container. Okay. अरे believe me, it is a container. हाँ. Okay sir. Total size, you help me with this. Total are 4 byte. Maximum allowed 21, 47, 48, 36, 47. Minimum allowed is minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. Agree? There overflow here. Agree? Sir, byte meant to store data of 1 byte, 2 byte, 4 byte. Container which meant to hold, consider 1 liter of water, 2 liter of water, 4 liter. More than that, overflow will happen. Minimum it should be there is minus 1. Agree? No confusion. Pakka. Shall I proceed now? If this much is clear, then we are good to go for program. Agree? Am I clear? Sir, default data type is what? Int is considered to be a default data type for number without decimal. For number without decimal. Everybody crystal clear till here? Online folk, everybody crystal clear? Quick response, guys. Four people, five people. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Next. 50 plus people are there in the class. Stop playing PUBG. Watching Insta Reels. 3 more people. 4, 17, 18, 19. There is a thing, very popular thing. God help them, those who really want to help themselves. If you are not willing to help yourself, Brahma Vishnu Mahesh also function on. I am the two. One person only I'll know. Enjoy, have fun, bro. Shall I wipe the board? Am I clear? Sir, in that case, let me ask one simple question. Sir, you are storing a number without decimal. Come on. Say, for example, I want to store only 12. Is it a number without decimal? Hello, hello, hello. Is it a number without decimal? Default data type for a number without decimal is. Are you getting my point? I repeat, a number without decimal is integer by default. Agree? Where are you trying to store? Hello? I is here. Where are you trying to store? Byte data type. Agree? B variable of byte type. Agree? Default data type for this number without decimal is what? Int. Agree? Size of int. Can you please help me? Size of integer. Louder. 4 byte. Size of byte. 1 byte. Are you getting my point? Sir, 1 minute. Integer means 4 byte. Byte means clear. Everybody. My question. Sir, 4 liter of water, how can I store into 1 liter of gas? Are you getting my point? 4 liter of water, how can I store into the 1 liter of gas? In that. What is the number? Agree? 12 means binary number. Can you please help me? 1100. Hello? Do you understand this calculation? क्या नंबर आया? लॉटरी का नंबर क्या निकला? 1100. चलिए. Total how many bits required to store 12 1100? How many bits? How many bits? These 4 bits can I store into the byte which actually have how many bits? Are you getting my point? Everybody, can I store it? Although integer is there. Total how many bits are there here? How many bits are there? 32 bits are there. Agree? Am I right? In all 32 bits, what is there? Let me help you. Say 12 is there, right? 32 bit means consider from here I start 0 and 31. 2 raised to the power. Are you getting my point? Everybody? Agree? Here it will become. Hope you will get the point. Agree? I am talking about storing the data. How? Pay attention. 12 binary representation will be how much? 1100. 1 1 consider equal 0. आगे पीछे हो गया. ठीक है. Hope you understand what I'm trying to tell. Remaining places what are there, sir? Here till 2 raised to the power 31. What is there? What is there? 0 0 0 0 0. Ultimately, we should know these last 4 bits. Agree? To form a number as 12, we need how many bits? Minimum 4 bits. Remaining all of them are Pakka. Total number of bits are how many? 32 bits. How many actually we need to store 12? 4 bits. Remaining are out of which few bits if I drop. Is there any loss of data happening? Is there any loss of data happening? Here how many bits I can store total? Tell me. Total how many bits I can store? 0 to 2 raised to the power 7. 8. Very good. 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, and so on. Now I'll write it properly. And so on. Am I right? Agree? Number is what, sir? Still, what will be here in this position? In this position, what will be there? 0, 0, 0. Earlier, how many zeros were there? Out of 32, 4 are gone. Remaining 28 0 were there. Now, out of 8, 4 are there. Remaining. But still, can I hold this number? Arey, come on. Are you getting my point? Although any number without decimal is integer, but is it in the range of byte? Ask yourself one question. Whatever number you're storing, by default it is. By default it is. Okay, sir. Is this integer number, whatever number is there, is this in the range of byte? First question. Is it in the range? Yes or no? Yes, pakka. Then it can occur. Are you getting my point? There is no data loss is happening. Are you getting my point? Everybody, no confusion. Sure. Shall I wipe it and explain you one more scenario? I have some 20 minutes, more than enough for. If I extend for 10-15 minutes, is that okay? 10 minutes. At least by data type, I'll completely practically implement. Remaining we can do later. I am starting with, am I right? Agree? Can you please help me fast? Public, static, void, main, string, array of args, then byte b. Let me declare a variable, initialize a variable, then I'll print its value. Am I clear? Everybody, byte b equal to, maximum number is what allowed? 127. Is it really allowed? Pakka, in this case. And yesterday we understood declaration in one line. Together also I can do it, right? Yes. Now I want to print the value of b. Right? Yes or no? No, sir. This way only b will be printed always. I want the value of b outside the double quote. Hope you remember. Done. Shall I save? Then open into CMD. Oh, already there. In the same folder, no? Compilation is successful. Execution also successful. Value is what coming? Correct. This is the maximum number. Am I right? Sir, minimum number would be what? Minus 120. Take minus 128. If I put it, will this also compile, sir? Hello? Compilation successful. Execution minus 128. Done. My question. Sir, what if I try to put a positive 127? Able to see? Are you able to see this? B value, what am I giving? 128. In which type of data type? Byte. Agree. I repeat, sir, 128. Does it have a decimal? Hello? Does it have a decimal? No, no. Any number which does not have a decimal, by default, integer number. Where am I trying to store? Byte. Byte size is 1 byte. Integer size is 4 byte. Agree. First of all, is this 128? Is it in the range of byte? Is it in the range of byte? Of course, it is not in the range of byte. Agree? If I try to put a number which is out of the range, don't you think some possible loss of data will happen? Some data loss will happen. Some data loss will happen, yes or no? Agree? In this case, error will. And I want all eyes here, at least 10 minutes, undivided attention, 100% focus I need. Super important. If you don't understand this, you will be complicated. You will get complicated. Listen very carefully. Funda is simple and straight. I re-explain. Listen very carefully. the number which you are trying to store into byte data type B. B's data type is byte, size 1 byte. Number you are trying to store without the decimal. Default data type is integer. Is it in the range of byte? No, sir, it is out of the range of the byte. Agree? In this case, bigger number than the range if I try to store into the byte data type, error will come, sir. Agree? Am I clear? And of course, error should come because in this case, we may end up losing some data. There is a possibility of losing data, yes or no? If there is a possible loss, data is there. I mean, data loss is possible is there. Then compiler will not allow. Then error will come. I mean, language, Java language has given a strict rule. Byte maximum number is allowed is 120. If you give more than that, error should come. Am I clear? This much is clear. If you cross the range, positive or negative, whichever side you cross the range, error will come. Come on, yes or no? Pakka. What is the error gonna come? That have 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts are there. I'll explain one by one. Okay, na? Let me ask you this. The data is of integer. Size of integer? Louder. 4 byte. Where variable I'm storing is byte data type. Size of byte is 4 byte of data. Can I put it into the 1 byte of container? Is it compatible? Compatibility, you understand? They are matching. Is it matching? Is it compatible? Incompatible type. What are those incompatible types? First of all, integer is not incompatible with the byte. Size difference is there. Agree? Am I clear? Everybody clear? No confusion? Problem is what? Sir, problem is you are trying to store a number which is integer, which is of 4 byte out of the range. That is not compatible with the byte data, right? Because byte container can have only 1 byte of data. You are giving 4 byte of data. Are you clear? Everybody? Both the data types, integer and byte, are incompatible. They are not matched. Am I clear? Sir, if still I try to put this number which is beyond the range of byte, in that case, what will happen? Possible lossy conversion. I repeat, possible lossy conversion. What does it mean by possible lossy conversion? Is it possible loss of data? Yes or no? Agree. Possible loss of data. Which data type it is already? Integer. I'm trying to convert into byte. If it is in the range, it will be converted. No problem. Agree. Is it in the range now? Is it gonna lose some data? Possibility of losing data is there? Yes, sir. Possible lossy conversion. From which data type? Int. To which data type? Are you getting my point, everybody? First thing, are they both compatible or incompatible? Incompatible. Possible lossy conversion from int to byte. Are you getting my point, everybody? Listen and understand very carefully. If it is in the range, then no problem. Conversion will happen. No need to worry. But you are giving some value which is beyond the range. Then problem is that. What problem? Both of them are compatible or incompatible. Error have 3 parts. First, incompatibility issue is that they are not compatible. They are incompatible. Possible lossy conversion because I'm converting from int to byte. So this conversion is successfully going to happen or some possible loss of data is there. Possible loss of data is there. That is why it is telling incompatible type. Possible lossy conversion from int to. Am I clear? Everybody? Sir, which line number? Which line number? This magic I am trying to do in line number 7 of which program? File name byte data type demo dot java colon line number 7 colon error what? Incompatible. First part is incompatible type. Possible lossy conversion from int to. Am I clear? Pakka? 100% sure? Can I say, let me clear this thing. If I'm going to compile this, first of all, it is not allowed. If I try to compile, compilation must fail, error must come. Agree? Read the error along with me. Byte data type demo dot java colon line number colon error. What is the error? Incompatible type. Possible lossy conversion from. Exact same error is there, whatever we have discussed. Pakka? Sir, 3 parts are there. First part says First part says incompatible type. Second part says, third part. Am I clear? Everybody 100% understood all the three parts of the error? Pakka? No confusion? In that case, if I ask you, sir, what if I am trying to give a number which is it in the range, by the way? Lesser than the range. Minus 120 is the minimum number allowed. What if I give less than that? Error. You tell me any number which does not have a decimal. By default, it is incompatible. By default, it is integer. Agree? Any number which does not have a decimal is integer. Agree? Whether it is positive, negative. Decimal is not there by default. Integer. Agree? Is this number in the range of byte? No. So are they both compatible, incompatible? If they are incompatible, if you are trying to do this conversion, then possible lossy conversion from, but this time line number. So can I expect you to read the entire error along with me, guys? Can you guess? Error will be byte data type demo dot java colon louder colon 8 colon incompatible type possible lossy conversion from int to byte. Am I clear? That same error is done. Any confusion? No confusion at all. Let me introduce some confusion. Let me ask you. अब बात करते हैं. A number which has a decimal part in it, by default, double. Agree? Am I clear? Sir, I am trying to store into the data type which is byte. Does it meant to have decimal part? Does it meant to have decimal part? No. First rule is you should not have a decimal part when you are trying to store into byte. Agree? In this case, even if I try to do it, don't you think this decimal part 0.9 will be lost? Yes or no? Compatible or incompatible? Agree? Possible lossy conversion from int to byte. अरे int to byte यार. Int to byte. अरे this level of confidence int to byte. See. Ole baba le. Going good? Very complicated, sir. Very, very complicated. Doable. At least doable. Might not be super easy, but at least doable. In that case, if I am telling, sir, leave this. Any data which is written within the pair of double quotes. I repeat, any data which is written within the pair of double quotes is considered to be string. What? String. Am I clear? Everybody? String is meant to hold alphanumeric. Alphabets are there at least right now. Agree? Can I represent them as number? Can I convert them as number? When I cannot do the conversion at all, then incompatible type, no possible lossy conversion. Simple. String cannot be converted. I repeat, see, possible loss of data is going to happen when you are going beyond the range or decimal part will be lost. Then possible loss. Conversion itself is not possible. Agree? Forget about lossy or proper conversion. That is secondary. Conversion itself is invalid. What? Incompatible type string cannot be converted to. Am I clear? I mean, before that, read with me. Incompatible type. Oh. I haven't saved. Sorry. Read with me. Incompatible type. Pakka. No confusion. In that case, pay attention. Rather than all this, if you don't mind, can I write? Can I write? True. True is a numeric data type, sir. True is a numeric data type. No. It is non-numeric. It's a Boolean data type. Agree? Can I convert this? No. In C, C++, it is to be considered 0 as false, 1 as true, not in Java. 0 means a numeric data type. Does not have a decimal mean integer. Am I clear? Over here, can I convert this Boolean into numeric data type? Can I convert? Simple, straightforward error. Incompatible type. Boolean cannot be converted to. Am I clear? Read with me. Incompatible type. Boolean cannot be converted to. Understood? Pakka. All the combinations. No confusion at all. Online folks, crystal clear. Quick. Everybody. If you are so confident, class, dot, data type, demo, public, static, void, main, string, array of arg, short, S, H, 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 short, S. Any name you take it, that is not a 3, 2, 7, 6, 7. Done? Is it allowed? System dot out dot print of S. Agree? Let me quickly save dot Java over here. Java C. Compilation successful since it is in the range. Execution also successful. No problem. Louder. Okay. In that case, if you don't mind, can I say minus 3276? Will this also compile, sir? Execution. Answer. Output of execution. Minus 32768. Simple. Agree? Sir, in that case, what if I cross one step out of the positive range? Will this work? Will this work? Will this work? Problem. Incompatible type. Possible lossy conversion from into 2 byte. Pakka. Into 2. Any confusion at all? Did I give some build up first day? Those who were there at first day. Remember? You there? What was that I was telling first day? Give me 10 days. I'll write a code. You will tell the error before I compile. Are you telling? Not just one. Wait. Picture बाकी है दोस्त. चलाए? Very complicated. Tell me. Complicated. Hello. Easily can be done. But let me remind you one thing. You have no idea what is this solvent. What is public, what is static, what is void, what is main, what is string, what is that square bracket, what is that total bracket, what is that curly bracket, parenthesis. You don't know all that. What is the system dot out dot? I don't know all that. I know print and that's all. Agree why those dots are there? I don't know. Some lines, if you see, semicolons are there. Some lines, semicolons are not there. If you observe within the main, whichever I'm writing, everywhere semicolon mandatory must be there. Out of that, nowhere semicolon. Why? Why am I writing everything within a class? I don't know. Are you also agreeing? Or you know everything? Will be known to you. Whatever is written, every single dot meaning you will. Postmortem will have. What is written, that is no big deal. Inside JVM, what magic happening, we will explore that also. And forget about exploring. If you can't tell in an interview what is the fun, boss. To explain this one program, minimum 20 to 25 minutes you require, even if you are talking better. That much content is there. Don't. Whatever confidence you have right now with respect to whatever we learned with respect to data type, that will be there in every. But if you allow, philosophy. Pakka? Excited? Then tell me, sir, in this case, error pakka clear to us? Can you tell me error? Faster, incompatible type, possible lossy conversion from pakka, negative number is not allowed, out of the range, agree? Okay, sir. In this case, what if I take a negative number with decimal? You take positive or negative. Number decimal means double. Will this be allowed? Incompatible type, possible lossy conversion from, no confusion at all. Double to short. Done, sir. Then moving forward, if I need to tell you, and I'm sure you also can guess what I'm going to write within double quotes, Java, save it, clear the screen, incompatible type. बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है? Incompatible type. Done. Over here. Next. If you don't mind, can I take something else? Hello, hello. Is it compatible? Error will come. Tell me the error quick. Possible lossy conversion. No, 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 no. Boolean cannot be converted to short. Done. No confusion. Sir, I have one more doubt, sir. Listen carefully. Anything which you write within the single quote is char data type. Anything which you write within the double quote, that is string. Single quote, char. Double quote. Am I clear? Can you guess the error now? अरे रुको भाई. हाँ, incompatible ना. Save the code. Compiled. Output. By the way, any error is there? Hello, hello, hello. Any error is there? Arey yaar, tell me, error should be coming, right? But error is not coming. Why? One. Second, output will come if error is not there. Agree? What would be the output? A, obviously. Am I right? Common sense is there. Output is 97. Huh? Unique. Change your verbiage. Not us. Unique. Sir, I didn't understand what others are telling ASCII, Unicode, and you. I have no idea speak properly. Second, there is little controversy. We will discuss that. Have patience. Easy thing it is. More easier than what you are learning. Wait for you. Is that okay? Shall I proceed now? Sir, one more combination I wanted to discuss. Shall I? Hello. When are you going to leave us, Ra? Are you thinking like that? ಇವನೇನೋ ಒಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದಾನ. Sir, if I write, let me tell you, Boolean data must be lower. If you observe, lowercase, and whenever I wrote in lowercase, if you observe, it is coming in. Now it is not. Why? That also has a reason. Everything has a reason. But as of now, it is not a Boolean value. Is that clear? Which one? Uppercase 2 is not a Boolean value. Am I clear? In this case, weird output will come. Pay attention. Total. Read. It is not able to find what does it mean by capital TRUE at all, because it understands lowercase true as the Boolean data. Am I clear? Uppercase is, so Java is case sensitive or case insensitive? Case sensitive. You make a case mistake, error is there for sure. What error is coming? Read. Am I clear? Sir, I can also practically implement the same two programs. By data type demo, short data type demo. How many? Can write the code. I'll give you the code. I'll write the code. Even if any error comes, I'll handle some. I'll at least give a try. I may handle, I may not handle, I may be able to write, or I'll at least give a try before coming to the class. At least give a try before coming to the class. People, those who don't have laptop, sit with somebody, take their laptop. It should not happen that they are talking and you are watching it. In interview, they will tell, you will watch. Let them type everything done for few minutes, borrow the laptop, type everything. If error is coming, please don't ask others. I repeat, please don't ask others. Rather, read the error 2-3 times. Whichever, see, at least line number you will get to know. Whichever line number is there you go. Try to read and remember the conversation we had today. High chances you will get the solution. Let there be any error. Say, for example, sir, say, for example, I missed the semicolon. Are you getting my point? I'm trying to put a Boolean data, but I missed the semicolon. Let me show you the error. Read the error. Error, semicolon expected at line number. Go to the line number. If you are using notepad, you have to count. If you are using notepad plus line number 14. Oh, what is the problem? Error, semicolon expected. Where exactly? It is telling everything. You should read it. That's the only. But when we started learning any programming, especially Java, error, error. If you are getting afraid of error, how will you fix it, boss? Errors will be there in part of our life. This is our life. Every day error will come. Will you? Every day will you do it? Arre, don't be afraid of error. Let's face it. If you don't face it now, later you have to face it. Whole life you are going to spend into it. You have to play around with these things. If you have to master, practice is the only key. By writing notes in notebook, you become a very good student. By typing the code, you become the programmer. No matter how well you understood in the class today, if you are not typing it, you will not get it. Beginning itself, I'm telling you, people will start after a month. There are people, those who will start after a month. Let me write hello world. When they will start, when others are answering, I am not able to answer. Why? I didn't start from the day one discussion started. Majority of the reason is I know Java. This is super easy. Who will do it? Because I'm from CS ground, MCA. I have watched one entire YouTube series. Never typed the code, but I watched the series. I know this is simple. That is very basic. Let me tell you, when I will cross the line and move to the advanced topic, you will not even get to me. And Java will become a devil for you. From the day when you practice, I guarantee Java is one of your best friend in India. You will say, let the interviewer ask only in Java. You will tell this. Let interviewer ask Java, I am ready. That is my guess. I'll get you that. With confidence, 100% clarity, crystal clear understanding will be there. Each and every topic I'm gonna do. You decide you want to follow instruction now, after a month, or after attending it. You attend one interview, you will say, oh, everything Arun sir told, this scenario, this question will ask. If you give this answer, next cross question also told. For that cross question, if you answer this question. If you answer that question. Every single scenario will be covered and you will also feel, I am confident, provided you are practicing along with me and responding in class. Am I clear to you? Agree. If you are not responding, I am helpless. I am not a magician to you. Unless you put effort, nothing gonna change. Honestly, 2 programs are there. Genuinely, if you sit and type half an hour maximum, even if errors are come. Max to max 1 hour. Can't you try this much? Can't you try? That's it. See you tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. So see you tomorrow for celebration, not for the class. Timings will be shared with you in your corresponding group, online, offline, whichever group you are there. Try your level best. We'll have a great fun. Shall I show you the QR code if you have not marked the attendance? Have you marked attendance, everybody? So let me show you the QR code, guys. Focus. quickly and don't worry, these codes I'll share into the WhatsApp group only. You don't need to worry. Okay, na? You just need to look at the values. Agree, na? Do you really need the values? Don't you remember the maximum minimum? I'll share the code. As of now, mark the attendance. Those of you have not done. Those of you have not done it, please mark the attendance, online, offline, both. And you can drop the call, online people, if you have marked the attendance. Thank you. That's it for the day. Loud and clear. Tata. Bye bye. Namaskara. See you tomorrow for the fun. Without laptop tomorrow. Dare anybody come with the laptop and ask, sir, I have a doubt that things are not working. Next class you ask. Tomorrow, proper musty mood only come. No studious, bookworm, not allowed. Don't bore us. Am I clear? Chaliye. If you mark the attendance, can be. Bye bye.